Hi, I am Piyush. I am a 25-year-old software engineer and I am a part of Avinash Sir Mentorship Program. I joined this course when I was doing all this investment and trading all by myself and incurred some huge losses. One of my family members strongly recommended for this course, and after joining this course and actually after completing this course, I have had huge knowledge of most of the things that I was not earlier aware of. All the things that we see on a very different websites or apps like the P ratios and some other different ratios which we generally use for our investment or trading to buy and sell stocks. Not only that part is covered with ease, but also there are a lot of stuffs like the things how to see the sectors, how to read the balance sheet, profit and loss statements, and the psychology, when to buy, when to sell, and lot more things that were covered in this course. And those things explained by Avinash sir with very easily way, so that even the beginner like me can easily understand. This course, I believe, is not only for the intermediate who has a little bit of idea of these things, but also for someone like me who is at only 25 years of old and knows nothing about these things. So if it works for me, I will definitely say it will work for everyone out there. So I strongly recommend for this course. Please go ahead and give a thumbs up for Avinash sir.